Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 5 and today I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into this device. So to get started you will need one of these, SIM ejector, then cup provided with the device. So once you get that, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the bottom left side of the phone, so right over here. Once you push the pin in, the tray does pop out. You can then grab it and take it out completely. And on the tray you only have space for a single SIM card. So place it like this with the chip towards you, or towards the outside, and then insert it back into the device. Now I'll also mention that this phone does support eSIM, but I don't have an eSIM to actually show you how that is connected. You just need a number and you somehow connect it to it. Usually you have a instruction from the, from your carrier provider that would provide you with the number of the eSIM. So anyway, the SIM card that I did insert does have a pin, so I need to confirm that. And there we go, now my SIM card is unlocked. So that is how you would insert your SIM card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.